Duramax turbocharger time. Common issue. VNT, can't remember the exact code description. Turbo vanes not responding. Unison ring sticks. We see this most on LBZ generation Duramaxes. Not sure entirely why, since the turbochargers are the very same or very similar between LLY, LBZ, LMM, LML. I think it's got something to do with the vane cycling. The charger is a little bit smaller on an LBZ than an LLY. And of course, when you add in regeneration function up on an LMM and LML, there's a lot more vane sweep. So the problem we're having today is the exhaust housing is stuck. It's been soaking all weekend. Got the band loose, it won't separate. So we've got an ancient Chinese or samurai invented type trick here. So what we've done, you get yourself a set of small block or GM manifold spreaders. And this charger, this works a lot better on S series Borg style chargers that have a cast iron nose plate. This is an aluminum plate, so you have to be extra careful in doing this. We're going to try and get this one off. It's pretty stuck pretty bad, so the charger is largely a lost cause at this point, but we're going to try and salvage it. Start the jack, and of course you want to make sure you don't flex it into either of the wheels. Stashed away on the truck. Cordless air hammer. Tim Taylor would be so proud. there you have it. And there you have our mode of failure. The junked up unison ring. It's actually broke. The unison ring is broke. There, and there. Another point of note on these chargers, I got burnt hard on this once. This foot will tend to warp. It was particularly a problem for us anyway so far on the LMLs. So you at least want to check that if it's straight, or even on an LML platform where they're a real nightmare to get out, we replace this tube every single time. So thanks for watching.